Ano yung ginagawa mo?
I'm making puto cake.
Puto-puto.
Yes. This is puto cake.
Nalagay mo pa ng cheese yan.
Yes, puto cake with cheese on top. Ang kaibahan nito sa puto cheese. Ang puto cake ay sobrang soft. Tapos, ginagamit dito is fake flour instead of harina. Fake flour siya.
Kaya tinawag na cake.
Puto cake.
Kasi cake flour ang gamit.
Hindi. Kasi malambot siya. Iba yung texture niya sa puto cheese. Kasi pag puto cheese, ang ginagamit doon ay flour lang. Tapos, ito, ubusin natin sayang. Ako pag nagluluto ako, ayaw na ayaw ko yung may natitira. Gusto ko, inuubos ko. Yan, kasi sayang naman. Makakain pa yan. Diba? Kasi gusto ko yan. Ganyan. Agree ba kayo? Ganyan ako magluto. Nanghihinayan kasi ako. Yan. Tapos, i-steam natin yan into 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. I-steam na natin 10 to 15 minutes. I'm using big molders. That is why 10 to 15 minutes. Pero kung maliit yung molders, no, 10 minutes is very much okay. Para maiwasan natin yung hilaw sa loob, dapat saktuhin natin 15 minutes. So, i-steam na natin. Ayan. So, usually, maglalagay ako ng keso pag naluto na siya. Tapos, ilalagay ko na doon. Tapos, but my husband was curious what will happen kung ilalagay na natin yung cheese. Kaya nag-try ko ng isa. As you can see, nandoon yung cheese. Ayan. So, para makita niya what will happen, ano yung comparison between andyan na siya during steaming or after na ng steam bago lalagyan ng keso. Okay? Bye! See you after 15 minutes. Okay. We steamed it already to 15 minutes. There you go. Look how beautiful it is. You see here the cheese, diba? Yan. So, yan ang experiment ng aking husband. I want him to see it, how it looks like kapag kasama sa steam yung cheese. So, now, I'm going to add cheese for the rest of the puto. Yan. Diba po, masarap pag maraming keso. So, ang keso niyan ay meron sa loob, meron sa iba. Nagkakatakpan. Oops.
Doble mo dyan.
Let's cover that. Okay. Tapusin na natin. The more the merrier. So, I cover it for 3 minutes para ma-melt ng kaunti yung ating cheese. After 3 minutes, we will open it again and we will take it out. Voila! Yan, this is what it looks like after 3 minutes. Diba? Maganda siya. Saktong-sakto yung pagkamelt ng ating cheese. Come and see it closer. Diba? Yan. This is what I said to my husband. At least he knows now. So guys, ito yung nakagawa ko lahat. Ayan. Yung iba kinain na namin. Madami yan. So, syempre, natakam kami. We could not wait. We ate it na. Bilang takam na namin. So, ayan. This is my puto cake finished product. Happy cooking! Try na na!